Virtual Private Network, VPN. Virtual Private Network, VPN, is a communication tunnel establishes a secure, private connection through an untrusted network. Tunneling is the network communications process that encapsulates a packet of data with another protocol to protect the initial packet. VPNs can be implemented using software or hardware solutions. Common VPN protocols are Point-to-Point Tunneling Protocol, PPTP. Layer 2 Tunneling Protocol, L2TP. IP Security, IPSec, Protocol. Point-to-Point Tunneling Protocol, PPTP, encapsulates the PPP packets and creates a point-to-point tunnel connecting two separate systems. Layer 2 Tunneling Protocol, L2TP, was derived to create a point-to-point tunnel to connect disparate networks. IP Security, IPSec, protocol is both a standalone VPN protocol and the security mechanism for L2TP. IP Security, IPSec, has two functions: or authentication header, and encapsulating security payload, ESP. Authentication header, provides authentication, integrity, and non-repudiation. Encapsulating security payload, ESP, provides encryption to protect the confidentiality of transmitted data.